Okay, it got a break, that's why something happened here, so I have to move to some other place, that's why. Okay, now you are being too formal. This use is rare. This use is rare, and you can see here note that is ing form of a verb necessarily occurs with the form of be. So I told you which are the forms of be, right? I have told you that the forms of be are, is, am, etc. The are the past forms, and the present form is, am, okay, are. Next one, the children are going to school, the soldier is singing a song. And then present progressive form of have plus noun is having plus noun. You can see here present progressive form of have plus noun is having plus noun. Are you clear? Now, okay. Now we can see here another example. We are having a lot of hardships. We are experiencing a lot of hardships. So you can see here. And now next one is but have plus noun indicating ownership, relationship, characteristics is not put in other progressive form. That means have plus noun indicating ownership. When it shows the ownership or relationship, the characteristics is not put in to other positions, okay, in other positions. So he has a brother, not he is having a brother. It is not like that. He has a brother. And this elephant has a long trunk, not he is having. This elephant is having a long trunk. It is an incorrect usage. Okay, that's what you have to look. When we use have plus noun indicating the ownership or relationship or characteristics, we should use we should not put it in other progressive form. That means we should not add any progressive form. Okay, he has a brother. Okay, it's not is having. This elephant has a long trunk. Okay, are you clear? These are the exceptional rules. These are the exceptional rules which I given here. Hope you have understood what do you mean by present progressive. Present progressive means it's a continuous tense. Adding if the present progressive tense is the verb is, then we have to add am, is, are plus present participle form. That means verb plus ing. And if it's the form is have, then we have to add am, is, are plus have plus ing. That means having. And the third rule is if we are adding any be forms, we have to add an adjective, being plus adjective. And you are being too novel. The forms of be, being, etc. The forms of be also. Okay. If we are adding that one form of be, then we have to add the adjective form. Okay. So you are being too formal. This use is rare. And now there are some exceptions which we discussed. When ing form of verb occurs with the form of be, the children are going to school, we are having a lot of hardships, etc. We are experiencing a lot of hardships, etc. We have to use. And now, but have plus noun indicating ownership. If we are adding have to indicate any ownership or relationship, then it has to be added. But no progressive tense should be added to that. He has a brother. He has a brother. This elephant has a long trunk. Okay, that's what example shows. And now I think I'll be coming with a small video, as my phone is also out of charge. So I'll come with a short video, short class today. We will finish it off by the next class. Okay, okay, I will give you. Actually, I have taken the screenshot of the text page. That's why. So I couldn't go further. Anyway, I will come with that. This is not very comfortable for me. Anyway, present perfect form. The present perfect form of a main verb is have plus have or have plus past participle. So what do you mean by perfect form? I have already told you which. We have already discussed all these points, which is perfect tense. You have to keep in mind this one, okay? You have to keep in mind whether it's a perfect tense, whether it's a present tense, whether it's a continuous tense. Okay. The present perfect form of a main verb is have or have, has or have plus past participle. The present perfect form, that what do we mean by perfect? Which has already been done. Okay, the action has already been done. That's what a perfect tense means. It's not a continuous tense. It has already been done. Okay. Now the present perfect form of a main verb is have or have, has or have plus past participle, and the present perfect form of have as a main verb is has, have plus had of a be is had been. That means we have to add had been or have been or has been. Of can is has been or have been plus able to. When we look onto the examples, you will be able to understand this. I have had a lot of calls today. I have had. That means you are just finished. You are just finished. That means it had happened. It has happened just now or today. I have had. This is a phrase which you have to look onto very carefully. I have had a lot of calls today. It's not on yesterday's call. We are speaking about today's action which has already over. So we have to add had, and the day is present. So day is today. So we have to add I have had a lot of calls today. Have received. That means it shows that calls have received. Okay, and he has had a lot of opposition. He has had already. It's been done. The opposition have been done, but it's on the present tense. Okay, it may be happened just, or it's happening just. It's not. Just happened. So he has had a lot of opposition. Has experienced. Okay, I have had rice and fish for lunch today. That means it shows today, not yesterday. It's not an yesterday's matter. It's not yesterday's matter which we discuss here. So we talk about present. So already we are speaking about the just finished matter. Just finished matter. So just finished matter is a perfect tense. Clear? So I'm stopping over here now, and if any doubt regarding this, I will come back. Okay, a few more. This video has been cut into two, so I will send this to. I am not able to join it. Okay, so bye.